Daniel didn't always eat out of hunger. As he told me quietly, "Doctor, sometimes I already know how much I'll eat before I even see the food. It's like a voice in my head says, you'll eat more today." Not every appetite is a choice. Sometimes it's a neural program running a few seconds ahead of your awareness. Beyond the plate, Daniel's story wasn't about lack of discipline. It was a precise example of what research calls pre-meal neural programming. His brain, especially the hypothalamus, was pre-signaling overeating before the meal even began. Influenced by emotional memory, stress hormones, and disrupted communication between ghrelin, leptin, and dopamine. Every time anxiety rose, his neural reward circuits reactivated the food as comfort loop before the first bite. Health findings: ghrelin levels spiked by 35% during stress. Leptin sensitivity significantly reduced. fMRI scans showed hyperactivity in the nucleus accumbens reward center. Weight fluctuations followed emotional patterns more than caloric intake. Daniel wasn't responding to hunger, he was responding to an old emotional memory stored in his brain. What research shows? Nature Neuroscience, 2019. The brain decides how much you'll eat up to 3 minutes before the meal even begins. Cell Metabolism, 2021. Appetite is shaped more by emotional memory than physical hunger. Harvard Review of Psychiatry, 2020. Chronic stress reprograms ghrelin, turning food into emotional anesthesia. DNA plus AI. Genetic analysis revealed Daniel carried a variation in the MC4R gene, known to heighten neural hunger signaling. AI algorithms analyzed over 1,200 data points from his mood, sleep, and eating cycles, revealing that his eating mode activated 10 minutes before meals whenever anxiety or loneliness appeared. His appetite wasn't spontaneous. It was pre-programmed. 5 keys to reprogram the appetite. Pause and breathe 30 seconds before eating, break the autopilot. Maintain consistent sleep, restoring ghrelin, leptin rhythm. Track emotions before meals to identify emotional hunger triggers. Start meals with protein first to stabilize satiety signals early. Practice mindful walking or meditation after meals to reset dopamine loops.
With Daniel, I learned that hunger doesn't always live in the stomach, it lives in memory. Healing wasn't about restriction, it was about teaching the brain to listen to the body instead of programming it in silence. Sometimes hunger doesn't come from the stomach, but from a program your brain forgot to turn off. Dr. Holly, question for you. Is your hunger always real? Or is it an old neural memory your brain keeps replaying?